Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Wednesday 27th August 2025. 26th August 2025 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction boom. 3 hot number member only prediction boom number 2, number 22 and number 38. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction. Join now. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 15, number 32, number 40, number 7, number 21, booster number 25. UK 49's tea time prediction first number 26, number 5, number 11, number 44, number 30 and number booster number 16. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now. Good luck, see you soon next video. Bye bye. Join now UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number membership. Join now.